Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Global. Have you ever heard of POP MART? Or do you know how crazy people are about Labubu? Not too long ago, in front of the POP MART store on Oxford Street in London, hundreds of young people queued overnight, rushing to buy a forest elf doll with funds. When the clerk announced the items were sold out, the crowd erupted into fierce clashes and the police were forced to intervene to maintain order. On the other side of the globe, on Rihanna's Instagram, this ugly cute elf conspicuously hangs on her 200,000 RMB Hermes bag, becoming the new affordable luxury trendsetter. So how can a small gadget like Labubu make many people around the world crazy and even pay high prices to buy it? What's the story behind this? Today, let's talk about the recently popular POP MART. Wang Ning, the founder of POP MART, was born in Xinxiang, Henan in 1987. He grew up immersed in business wisdom from his parents' video store and watch shop. During the summer after his senior year of high school, while peers were indulged in fun, he was already organizing a football training class, printing flyers, recruiting students, and teaching personally. While studying at Zhengzhou CS University, he founded Day's Studio, selling CDs of campus life. The first batch of 1,000 copies sold out in a day, completing his initial business education. In 2010, inspired by Hong Kong's log-on trendy store, the 23-year-old Wang Ning opened the first POP MART in Beijing's Zhongguancun, specializing in trendy groceries. But operations struggled. A high-salary store manager led the team to resign collectively, causing losses of hundreds of thousands of yuan per month. Wang Ning once considered giving up. The turning point came in 2012. Angel investor Mike Gang accidentally saw Wang Ning's business plan and invested 2 million yuan to rescue it. After this committee, POP MART urged in a turning point in its destination. In 2014, POP MART began distributing Japanese blind box toys called Sunny Angel. By 2015, these angel figurines counted for nearly 30 to 50% of POP MART sales. However, a problem quickly emerged. POP MART was only one of Sony Angel's Chinese distributors, and each new store opening required their approval. Sony Angel's lack of cooperation created significant uncertainty for future expansion, which prompted POP MART's transition to its second phase, original IP trendy toys. In 2016, Wang Ning decisively signed Wang Xingming at a Hong Kong designers exhibition with strict exclusive copyright terms, launching the Molly Zodiac blind box. With an affordable price of 59 yuan, a unique lake green eye image, and a hidden edition probability of 1 out of 144, the product sold out within 4 seconds, with annual sales exceeding 40 million yuan. Sensing consumers' passion for trendy toys and social sharing needs, Wang Ning quickly built an online community and opened the first IP-themed store in Shanghai, Ganghui, forming a communication loop of offline blind box drawing plus online sharing. Since then, POP MART expanded rapidly. In 2017, it launched robot stores, with the first 50 units entering subway commercial areas, each generating monthly sales of over 30,000 yuan. The first Beijing trendy toy exhibition attracted 100,000 people to queue. In 2018, POP MART officially began its international expansion, opening its first overseas store and sowing the seeds of trendy toys globally. By 2019, POP MART had over 295 stores and 1,600 robot stores, with revenue surging from 158 million to 1.68 billion yuan. On December 11, 2020, POP MART successfully listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, with its market value instantly exceeding 100 billion yuan, earning the reputation of the first trendy stock globally. As of June 8 this year, Wang Ning became the new richest person in Henan, with a net worth of 20.3 billion US dollars, and the company's market value exceeded 300 billion Hong Kong dollars. It has been only 15 years since the small store in Beijing's Zhongguancun that was on the verge of closure. POP MART's global expansion speed is just astonishing. We're often curious why POP MART is so popular, and it precisely reflects the logic of human nature. POP MART's blind box model cleverly caters to consumers' curiosity and collecting desire. Based on the psychological uncertainty principle, people are curious about the unknown, and the uncertainty of blind boxes satisfying this psychology. Each box opening is like an adventure. Consumers never know what they will get next, and this sense of surprise and expectation drives repeated purchases. Additionally, each Pop Mart series typically includes 12 regular editions and 1 hidden edition. This lottery-style design stimulates consumers' collecting mania. To complete a full set, many are willing to buy repeatedly. Statistics show that 30% of users purchase blind boxes with the motive of collecting the full series. Pop Mart's industrialized IP system also powers its success. From incubation to market launch, products go through layers of screening and polishing to ensure quality and creativity. The global IP matrix Labubu integrates local culture elements in different regions, carries out cross-border collaborations, and launches derivative products, expanding its influence in fashion, cultural tourism, and other fields to enhance popularity and commercial value, thus gaining a massive fan base. Its unique, ugly cute image breaks the stereotype of traditional, cute-style trendy toys, satisfying young generation's pursuit of personality. Consumers gain great satisfaction from collecting different Labubu styles. This craze was amplified by celebrities' endorsements and secondary market speculation. When global top stars like Rihanna and Lisa started showcasing their Labubu figures, it transcended from being just a toy to a cultural trend symbol. This popularity quickly spread to the secondary market, where prizes are rare and hidden editions were highly inflated, creating a buy-to-earn wealth myth and further fueling market frenzy. On June 10, 2025, a one-of-a-kind mint green Labubu doll was auctioned for 1.08 million yuan. However, behind the craze, controversies and negative news continue to ferment. Although Labubu is currently in the spotlight due to the fast-changing interests of Generation Z, the life cycle of trendy toys is generally short, and some Pop Mart IPs have shown weak follow-up momentum. For example, the 2024 financial report shows that the revenue proportion contributed by the Molly IP fell by 0.1 percentage points year-on-year to 16.1%, while those of School Panda and Demo dropped by 6.3 and 4.7 percentage points respectively. Even the recently popular Labubu has shown a trend of significant price reduction due to massive restocking. The secondary market price collapsed, with some styles plummeting by over 45%. Many also believe that blind boxes inherently have a gambling nature, as consumers may fall into irrational consumption to obtain desired style or hidden editions. Previously, Guo Qilin called Pop Mart the largest domestic gaming company. Though in jest, it reflects some people's doubts about its business model. Furthermore, with the market development, the blind box model may face the risk of tighter regulatory policies. Once relevant policies restrict blind box sales rules, Pop Mart's blind box-centric business model will be impacted. At the moment, there is already the rule that under 8 years old are not allowed to purchase blind box in China. Since June 2025, Pop Mart's stock price has shown significant fluctuations. On June 20, the official Chinese government media outlet People's Daily published an article stating that experts suggest strengthening regulation as blind box consumption gets out of control. Following this, the stock closed at 239 Hong Kong dollars per share, down 15% from the weekly high. Meanwhile, major shareholders represented by Wang Ning began reducing their holdings. In October 2024, Wang Ning sold 21.7 million shares, cashing out about 1.56 billion Hong Kong dollars, and his shareholding ratio decreased. Shareholder share reductions may send negative signals to the market, affecting investor confidence and causing further price declines. Excessive stock price volatility also harms the company's stable development. How to stabilize the stock price and enhance investor confidence is a capital market challenge Pop Mart needs to address. Nevertheless, Pop Mart's market success is no accident. It results from the precise insight into consumer psychology, innovative business models, industrialized IP operations, efficient supply chain management, and global marketing strategies. The popularity of Labubu is just a highlight in POP MART's development, backed by the brand's years of deep cultivation. However, with challenging markets and fierce competition, POP MART faces challenges, maintaining IP freshness, adapting to regulatory changes, and deepening global layout. That's it for our video today. Do you think POP MART can continue this success in the future? Let us know in the comment section below. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video.